makes me laugh. How did our eyes get so red? And what the hell is on Joey's head? This is where I grew up. I think the president fixed it up. I never knew we ever went without. The second floor is hot for sneaking out. And this is where I went to school. Most of the time had better things to do. Criminal record says I've broken twice. I must have done it half a dozen times. I wonder if it's too late. Should I go back and try to graduate? Life's better now than it was back then. If I was them, I wouldn't let me in. Oh God, every memory of looking out the back door. I have a photo album spread out on my bedroom floor. It's hard to say it, time to say it. Goodbye, goodbye. Every memory of walking out the front door. I found the photo of the friend that I was looking for. It's hard to say it, time to say it. Goodbye, goodbye. Remember the old arcade? Blew every dollar that we ever made. The cops seen us hanging out. They say somebody went and burned it down. We used to listen to the radio and sing along with every song we know. We said someday we'd find out how it feels to sing to more than just a steering wheel. Kim's the first girl I kissed. I was so nervous that I nearly missed. She's had a couple of kids since then. I haven't seen her since God knows.
Nagkakilala kami sa UST. Magkaklase kami ng elementary. Yun. Basically, doon kami na una nagkakilala. Grade 5. Masungit. Parang galit sa lalaki. Tapos, kumbaga, ewan ko kung baka sa akin lang galit kasi marami siyang crush eh. Tapos ako lang yung nagsasabi na crush ko siya. Siguro kaya doon siya nagalit kasi parang ang tingin niya binabakuran ko kaagad siya. Parang ganun. Parang unang tingin pa lang nagustuhan ko na kaagad siya. Siguro mahilig din kasi ako sa chinita. Yan, medyo may pagka-Chinese siya eh. So, yun. Tsaka parang may challenge kasi yung sungit sa akin eh. Siguro yung pagiging maalalahanin niya. Tapos, maasikaso. Ayun. Papakita niya talaga sa'yo na mahal ka niya. Beb, sana huwag ka magbabago. Kahit ano mangyari, kahit magkaroon man tayo ng konting problema na nire-resolve naman natin, alam naman natin sa sarili natin na naayos natin pareho yun. Huwag ka lang, sana, yun lang talaga, walang magbabago sa ating dalawa. Mahalin pa rin natin isa't isa. Tulad nung pagmamahal natin sa isa't isa nung from elementary, high school, tsaka nung college, hanggang ngayon. Mahal na mahal kita. Love you. Lang.
I'm 15 for a moment, caught in between 10 and 20, and I'm just dreaming, counting the ways to where you are. I'm 22 for a moment, and she feels better than ever, and we're on fire, making our way back from Mars. 15, there's still time for you, time to buy and time to lose. 15, there's never a wish better than this, when you only got 100 years to live.
were schoolmates since grade 4. And I was a transferee then. Pareho kaming transferee. So, naging kaklase ko siya since grade 4. Sobrang torpe kasi nun eh. Tsaka mahiyain. So, nung una ko siyang nakita, parang wala lang, steady lang. Pero, sobrang mahiyain siya. So, hindi nga siya yung crush ko nung time na yun eh. Pero, na-develop na lang kasi ang kulit niya, tapos lagi siyang pumupunta sa area ko, ganun. Sa relationship namin or sa amin, dalawa, parang hindi naman siya love at first sight. It's more on, na-develop lang ako, ganun. Kahit masungit yan, napaka-loving niya, ramdam mo na mahal ka niya. Kahit pag kayong dalawa lang, pinapakita niya na mahal ka niya. And kahit hindi siya romantic, ibang way niya pinapakita yung pagiging romantic niya para sa'yo, especially pag kaming dalawa lang magkasama. Message ko, Beb, sana bawasan mo yung pagiging masungit mo. At saka sana continuously maging understanding ka sa akin and sa mga needs ko, and sana kahit anong pagsubok yung dumating, sana magkasama pa rin tayo, mag-hold on ka, saka sana nagpapasalamat ako sa love na pinapakita mo sa akin, kahit minsan nagkakatampuhan tayo, pero alam ko na nagki-care ka, saka mahal na mahal mo. Yun lang. Beb, I love you. Thank you sa lahat.
Noon, akala ko ang wagas na pag-ibig ay sa nobela lang matatagpuan, at para bang kahirap na paniwalaan. Ikaw pala ang hinihintay kong pangarap. Ngayong kapiling ka at tayo'y isa, hindi ko hahayaan na sa atin ay may hadlang. Ako sa'yo, ipaglalaban ko sa hirap at ginhawa ang ating pag-ibig, upang di magkalayo kailanman, pagkat ang tulad mo ay minsan lang sa buhay ko. Ikaw pala ang hinihintay kong pangarap. Ngayong kapiling ka at tayo'y isa, hindi ko hahayaan na sa atin ay may hadlang. Pangako sa'yo.
When I gave the word, now in the morning I sleep alone. couldn't believe